skeptical, doubting something or not easily believing. Example: Emma was skeptical about the online sale. She thought it might be a scam. Atrocious, extremely bad or terrible. Example: the movie was atrocious. I left the theater after 10 minutes. Impatient, not willing to wait. Example: Jake was impatient in the long line. He kept checking his watch. Belligerent, aggressive, ready to fight. Example: the belligerent customer shouted at the cashier for no reason. Tangible, something real that you can touch. Example: the excitement in the air was almost tangible at the concert. Vague, not clear or specific. Example: her instructions were vague. I had no idea what to do. Optimistic, always thinking positively. Example: despite the failure, Mia stayed optimistic and tried again. Submerge, to put something completely underwater. Example: he submerged the dirty dishes in water to clean them later. Acute, sharp, intense, or serious. Example: he felt acute pain in his leg after the fall. Disintegrate, to break into small pieces or fall apart completely. Example: the old book was so fragile that it started to disintegrate in my hands.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.